Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug a known good Apple cable into the laptop first, then connect the iPhone. You must unlock the phone and stay on the home screen so the device can present the trust dialog. On a Mac, open Finder, or on Windows, open iTunes or File Explorer ahead of time. This reduces delays and driver prompts. Make sure the laptop's USB port is powered and try a direct port, not an unpowered hub, because some hubs don't provide data. Once you tap Trust and enter your passcode, the phone negotiates a connection and the computer loads the appropriate driver or service. On Mac OS, select the iPhone in Finder under Locations. On Windows, open iTunes or File Explorer and choose the device. If moving photos, open the Photos Import tool to group by date. For file transfers, use drag and drop or the dedicated Apps Import/Export controls. If a driver installs, wait until it finishes before initiating large transfers to avoid corruption. Finish by confirming your files copied successfully, then eject the iPhone from Finder or iTunes before unplugging to prevent data loss. You can leave the phone connected to charge after transfers, but verify file integrity first. If the computer doesn't recognize the phone, try a different certified cable and a different USB port. Avoid passive hubs. Then restart both devices and update iOS and your computer's drivers. If problems persist, reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.